Yes, see children, so now we can start the workbook part. So all of you open your workbooks. Yes, very good. Now see this one, understanding the text. First one, what do we have? Understanding the text. What is that? Answer the questions. Total how many questions are there, Nana? 5 questions. So see the questions one by one. So we can do the answers. You have read the lesson, right? So then you can do the answers very easily. Now see the first question, what do we have? Whose farm did Ria and Neha go to see? Whose farm did Ria and Neha go to see? Where did they go? Whose farm is it? Yes, his uncle, their uncle Hari, right? So write the question first in your notes. So first question, whose farm did Ria and Neha go to see? Go to see. Whose farm did Ria and Neha go to see? So whose farm? Their uncle Harina. So write the answer for that. Ria and Neha went to see the farm of their uncle Hari. Their uncle Hari. Okay children, so what is the question? Whose farm did Ria and Neha go to see? Ria and Neha went to see the farm of their uncle Hari. Ria and Neha went to see the farm of their uncle Hari. Okay children, got the answer? Very good. And see the second question, what is that? Who were grazing? Second question, who were grazing? Who are eating food? Who are grazing? Yes, white cows and black buffaloes and their calves, right? So now write the question first. Who were grazing? Grazing spelling, Nana, be careful. Grazing. Who were grazing here? Write the answer for that. The white cows and black buffaloes and their cows were grazing. The white cows and black buffaloes and their calves were grazing. Cows, C-A-L-V-S. Cows means baby cows and baby buffaloes, na? So child of baby of cow and baby of buffalo. So small one, there we call it calf. More means calves. So cows were grazing. Who are grazing? White cows and black buffaloes and their calves were grazing. Right children? And see the third question, what do we have? Whose milk did Ria and Neha drink? Whose milk did Ria and Neha drink? Whose milk? Yes, goat milk. Right? Write the question first. Whose milk did Ria and Neha drink? Ria and Neha drink. Whose milk? Goat milk. So write the answer for that. Ria and Neha drank the drank the milk of goat. Drank the milk of goat. So goat milk they drank na. Riya and Neha drank the milk of goat. Drank the milk of goat. Whose milk did they drink? So Riya and Neha drank the milk of goat. Right, children? And see the fourth question, what do we have? So how are the shapes of clouds? How are the shapes of clouds? Clouds are turned into animals, houses, trees, like that we have, na? Yes. So write the question. How were the shapes of clouds? How were the shapes of clouds? How are those? Write the answer for that. Answer. Clouds were different shapes. Clouds were different shapes and some looked like, so they are different shapes na. How? Some looked like an animal, and some like a horse, some like a house or a tree. Some like a house or tree. So how are they looking? How are the shapes of clouds? The clouds were different shapes, and some looked like an animal, and some like a house, and some like a tree. Like this, those clouds are appearing. The clouds shapes are there. Right, children? So write these answers fast, and I'll tell you the fifth one. Yes, see children, so what is the fifth question we have? Read the fifth question. What did Riya and Neha see in the sky after raining? Beautiful scene they saw in the sky. What is that? Yes, rainbow. Beautiful 7 colors of rainbow, right? So what did Riya and Neha see in the sky after rain? Write the question fast. What did Riya and Neha, see in the sky after raining? After raining. So what did they see? Write the answer. Riya and Neha saw a rainbow. Riya and Neha saw a rainbow in the sky after raining. Riya and Neha saw a rainbow in the sky after raining. Right, children? So what did they see after raining? Riya and Neha saw a rainbow in the sky after raining. Right, children? So these are the question answers. First write these answers, then we can do the next grammar topic. See children, so the next part we have word search. What do we have after question answers? Word search. What is that? Say these words aloud. So here we have some words. We should say very loudly. Can you guess whose voices these are? And match them. So first they have given the voices. So and then they have given the pictures. So who are doing these voices, that animal we should match it. Animal or bird, we should match them. So first what do we have? Meow, meow, meow. What it says? Meow, meow means which animal? Yes, cat. Next, quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Duck. Ka, ka, ka. Yes, it is crow. And bow, bow, bow. Yes, puppy. And woo, woo, woo. That is owl. Right, children? So, these are the sounds and we have the animals and birds. So, now first what do we have? Meow, meow, meow. So, we should match with the cat. Where is the cat? Yes, second pick is the cat. So, match that one. And next one, quack, quack, quack. So, who says quack, quack, quack? Duck. Where is that? Yes, fourth picture. Fourth one is the duck. Match it. Very good. Ka, ka. Yes, that is also, that is crow. Then where is that? Fifth place. In the fifth picture. So match that one. And next one, bow, bow, bow. Where is the puppy? Yes, first only we have. So first puppy, you match it. And next one, ooh, that is a owl. It shows. Yes, third picture we have owl. So match that one. Right, children? So, like this, the sounds of the animals and birds they have given and that concerned pictures they have given. We should match them. So, very interesting. Na? So, learn some more words also, some more voices of the animals and birds also. Very interesting sounds those are. Okay, children. So, first you do this one and then we can do the next one. See children, so the next one we have in the word set, second part we have, what is that? Do you know about the longest beach in India? Do you know that? No? Okay, let's see. To get the answer, solve this puzzle. So then if you solve this, you will get the answer. What is that? Write the names of the animals in the paper proper box and read the words in the circle downwards and write the beach name. Okay. So, here pictures are there na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pictures are there na. So, now say this. So, with these names if you write all these animals names first letter they have given. So, if we write this, whatever the letters we get in these circles, downwards if you see, we will get the beach name, India's longest beach name. What is that? Let's find it. So, see the puzzle. First one, what do we have here picture? Yes, camel. Camel, right? Very good. So, write the spelling C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Already M is there, na? So, C is there. So, it is the first picture, it is camel. So, then write the camel there. And see the next one, what do we have? There you have the second one, that is started with R. What do we have? First to see the pictures, what do we have? Camel, horse, a monkey, a rabbit, tiger, cat. Right? So, in this, which starts with R? Rabbit. So, write the answer. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. So, there it is, that rabbit we have it. And see the third one, what do we have? Starts with S. What do we have? Starts with H. Horse. Spelling H-O-R-S-E. Horse. So, here we have horse picture. Na? So, then horse. Next one, yes, T. Which starts with T here? Tiger. Spelling T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Very good. Next one, yes, here we have it is monkey. Spelling M-O-N-K-E-Y. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Right, children? And last, what do we have? Yes, cat. Cat. C-A-T, cat. Right? So, the animals, whatever we have written here clear. But now, what is the beach name? That is M-A-R-I-N-A. Yes, that we should write separately. M-A-R-I-N-A. What is this? Marina Beach. What is the longest beach? Marina Beach. Okay, children. So, from this puzzle, we should find the longest beach in India. So, downwards they said to read. Na? Then we got this word. This is Marina. Okay, children. Spelling M-A-R-I-N-A. Marina Beach. This is the longest one. Okay, children. Got it? Yes. Write all these answers. Yes, see children, so the next we have here, match the animals with their tails and write their names. Match the animals with their tails and write their names. So here you can see the pictures now. So what are the animals here you have and their tails. You can see the pictures here. So now see this one. So first one, what do you have? First one, what do you have? So, what are the pictures? Here, see. First one is, yes, horse. So, all of you know. Horse is there. Next, cow is there. Next, it is mouse. Mouse is there. And zebra. Next one, monkey. Right? 5 are there. What are those? Horse, cow, mouse, zebra and monkey. Right? Their tails they have given that side. And after that you should match them and write the name of that. Write the name of the tail there. So, first one, the tail you see. What is that tail? Yes, that white tail, what do we have? Zebra, black and white. But white tail we have for cow. Where is the cow? Yes, second one. So, match that and write that there, cow. Right there. In the box, write cow there. What is the spelling? C-O-W, cow. Right? First one, tail of the cow. Na? That's why second one to first one, draw a line and write the spelling in the box. C-O-W, cow. Right, children? And see the second one, what do you have? Very thick hair. That, yes, horse one. Horse. So, write the match that one to second one here. And write the spelling of horse in the box. Spelling H-O-R-S-E, horse. Okay, children. So, match that one to that side second one and write the spelling horse. And see the third one. Yes, black and white lines, zebra lines. Yes, zebra only. Where is the zebra? Yes, fourth picture. To the that side third one. So, cross line, cross it. So, join that one and then write the spelling there. Zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, Z-E-B-R-A. Write the spelling there in the third one. And see the fourth one. What do we have? It's a curved and thick one. Yes, monkey. Monkey's tail. So, fifth ball here in the fifth place and there fourth place. So, match that one. And write the spelling there. Monkey. Monkey spelling. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Okay, children. Fourth box, you write the spelling. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. And see the last one? Yes, that is the mouse. So, third one to last one. So, draw a line and that last one is mouse. Mouse. Spelling M-O-U-S-E. Right? So, first one is cow and second one is horse. Third one is zebra. Fourth one is monkey and the last one is mouse. So, these are the tails of these animals. Okay, children, got it? So, there only you have the picture means easily you can find it. Clear, ma? So, do the answers, write answers fast. See children, so the next topic in our word, after the word search we have life skills part. Life skills part. What do we have life skills part? See this one. So, if you get a chance to visit the farm. So, I told you na, if you didn't visit till now or else if you have visited this also, next time you visit the big farm. Okay. And then, so with your parents or friends, anyone, with any of you, you can go and you should, what you should there, you observe in this way. What are those? Differentiate between the animals you see there. So, different kinds of animals are there. Na? So, that's why differentiate these between the animals you see there. So they give different kinds of sounds, and they eat different kinds of food also, right? Like that differentiate them, what kind of houses they are living, and what kind of ropes they are tying. Some they live without tying them. So like that you can observe different things, and observe the activities of different animals. Observe the activities of different animals. So some are protecting the farm, and some are giving the milk, and some are helping the farmers by carrying the loads, or else taking them to one place to another, like that, or else plowing the fields. Like that they do different activities, na? So like that you try to find them, observe it, and which animals are doing which work, you try to find it. And not to tease or touch them, but don't touch them, don't tease them. Tease them means if you try to do some work, means they may, suppose the dogs, means some dogs they may bark at you, or else they run behind you. So like that, that's why be careful. Never touch, never tease them, and give care and love to them. So very carefully, care and love you give to them, and they are also looking at you like that only. Okay, they are helping to us. That's why we should be very careful and love and affectionate with them. So these you must follow when you visit the farm next time. Okay children. So then will you tell me what how you felt and what you observed the different things in the farm when you visit? Will you explain to me? Very good. So whenever you visit, you tell me. I'll give the chance in the class. You can explain what are your experiences. Okay children. Yes, good. And we can do the next one, that is the creative fun. So, and next one we have the creative fun. All of you love this one, right? So what is this? Color the given animal and write few sentences about it. Color the given animal. What is this animal? Yes, dog. Dog. So that is color your favorite color to this dog. Favorite color means you have dogs at your home, na? White color, black color, some brown color, right? Some white black patches, brown and white patches, different puppies or dogs you have, na? So that's why your wish, how your dog color it is, eyes which color, like this you draw this one, and later write write few lines about your dog. Your pet animal dog is there, na? So write about your dog. So you have different colors and dogs, and you are habituating them to act in different ways, na? So how it does, so when you go home, how it comes and how it helps, and how you make that how you made that dog to do the works, right? So like that you write few lines, 4 to 5 lines. Okay, here 4 lines, just 4 sentences you write down, okay, about your dog. Okay, what is its name, what kind of works it does, and what it eats, how do you like that, or how do you train that. Okay, so that 4 sentences you write down. Okay children, will you do it? Yes, very good children. Complete for the next class.